Hi, today we will see how to manage a general setting for Loveria. Go to Admin Panel. Open the settings from side menu bar. Select the general setting from the settings drop-down. Select the files from the browser to upload the logo. Select the files from the browser to upload the small logo. Select the files from the browser to upload the favicon. Enter your website name. Enter business email. Enter your contact email. Select your time zone. Select distance measurement. Select your default language. Update the setting. Now you can see your uploaded logo, uploaded small logo, and favicon, your website name, distance measurement, your default language. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.